Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to our education series presented by Ainul Haramain for Nusuk Hajj platform. Today we will be covering how to activate the e-wallet. So once you log into your account, you can see it says activate e-wallet. Just click on activate digital e-wallet. It will give you a terms and condition. We do recommend to read this terms and condition as it will let you know what the refund policies are. Click on accept and they will give you three different options. So I'm just going to show you just so how to check all the different business options. You can click on credit card, you can enter the amount, agree, and you can continue. You can also do a bank transfer, which is the most expensive method. We do recommend to go with the credit card, which you can only use MasterCard and Visa. And the last one is cash collection center. Unfortunately, we don't have any in the US, but we can still do the search and see whether they have anything. So I don't think we have any cash centers, but we can go ahead. I'm just going to show an example. For this, I'm just going to load one Saudi Real. You click on agree. If you do withdraw, there is a 2.3% processing fee, plus they charge you VAT. So it comes out to about 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, somewhere around there. So keep in mind when you are proceeding with this. They will ask you to put in your billing address. So go ahead and fill out your billing address. Once you are done with that, just click on next. And then they will ask you to put in the credit card number. So go ahead and put in your credit card number, put in the expiration date, put in the cardholder name and the CVV code. Click on pay now. So it does usually ask you for an OTP code. So if they ask you for OTP code, you will be getting a text message on your account. But the perfect way to check whether your IBAN account is active or not is by looking at a number showing up under your e-wallet. And you can use multiple credit cards to actually load your e-wallet. And like I mentioned, the most expensive method is processing a bank transfer. And when you go in your e-wallet, it will give you that information. So once again, you just go on top up. It gives you the entire information over here. You do need to copy paste all this information into your bank account in order to process the bank transfer. But the bank transfer is the most expensive method. We do recommend using a credit card, whether a MasterCard or a Visa, without any foreign transaction fees. And inshallah, you can always call your bank and they will give you that information. Jazakallah khair for joining us today for our session on e-wallets. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.